Is the IGCSE or A-level exam stressing you out? Well, it did to me too. But don't you worry, I found the secret to conquer these exams. I'm a 3-subject world topper with an All India rank 3. But this is not just another YouTube channel where I give false motivation and blabber useless nonsense that you probably already know in the name of tips and tricks. Here, we get down to the root of every subject. I've read over 100 books so that you don't have to. Don't believe me? I've pulled over piles and cartons of books. And guess what? This is just my 10th grade. And after all these hours of reading, I cracked CAIE in a way no one can. Developing the formula for the FLE writer's effect, to reimagining economics in a way so simple, or breaking down biology to just its bare essentials. I've reopened the treasure trove just for you. I'm gonna be teaching every chapter, every concept in a way so simple yet so efficient. Friends, I know it's stressful, but from now, you're not alone. And now, you have the entire CAIE syllabus covered for you. Fresh from the world toppers to yours.